My name's Nick, Service Manager for SAMS, and we're going to go over how to add a new user to the VI MonitorPlus software. So let's start by opening up our software. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now that we've logged into our site, to add a new user, we'll go to Administration, go to Users, set up a configuration. On the left, we can see the users that we already have in our software. To add a new user, we'll click the plus button. At the top, we'll type in the name of our new user. We'll just put Bill. We can add the full name, an email address. gmail.com. You can add a phone number and then his password that he'll use to actually log into the software. So I'll just put test, and then we'll type in test again for his password. At this point, you can go to the right-hand side and select cameras. Well, first let's select servers and select the server that he's going to have access to, and then cameras. And then which cameras we want him to be able to view live, or if you want him to see the recorded data, we can select those cameras as well. So I'm going to select a couple cameras that he can view live. And then on this first camera, he can see the recorded footage for it. So we'll select it. If you have maps in your software, you can select the maps that he's able to view. And rules, views, and access control. If you're using those functions, you can go through and select the different features you want him to be able to have access to. I'm going to go ahead and save. And then I'll close the software. At this point, Bill should be able to open up MonitorPlus, log in with his username that we created, and we type in his username and then the password that we created, and then we'll click login. Depending on his access, he'll have options to select the cameras and the recorded footage based on what we selected during the creation process for the user account. If you have any questions about any of this, you can reach us on the web at sams1.com.